I'm going to be speaking to you today on safety precautions in dealing with incense making. First of all, you have to be aware that you're dealing with chemicals, and in chemicals they are fumes. So you need a um, well fumigated area, ventilated. Sorry. Okay, now what you need to do is, first of all, when you're dealing with DPG, if at any chance it splash in your face, you need flushing water. You need to run water in your eyes for at least 15 to 20 minutes because of the irritation of the chemicals. If it persists on irritating, then you immediately need medical care because the DPG will burn your eye tissues. Okay, next, you have to understand that you need goggles, you need gloves, and you need water just in case of a spill. On behalf of Expert Village, this is safety precaution in making incense.